What's up, everybody? It's Money Mindset. Listen up, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on you today. Imagine earning over $1,150 a day using just Google, YouTube, and InVideo AI. No prior skills, no fancy setup, and no soul-crushing 9-to-5 job required. Sounds too good to be true? You're damn right it does. But stick around, because in this video, I'm breaking down the exact steps to turn this into your reality. We're talking actionable strategies, no BS, just pure hustle and grind. Let's go. First things first, we gotta understand the game we're playing. It's not just about creating content, it's about creating the right kind of content that resonates with your audience. The digital landscape is vast and ever-changing, and to navigate it successfully, you need to be strategic and intentional. We live in a world where content is king and video is the queen, baby. It's the most engaging form of content out there. People are more likely to watch a video than read a blog post or an article. Videos can convey emotions, tell stories, and deliver information in a way that's both entertaining and informative. Platforms like Google and YouTube are overflowing with information, and that's where our opportunity lies. These platforms are search engines at their core, and they thrive on fresh, relevant content. By creating high-quality videos, you can tap into this vast pool of potential viewers and drive traffic to your content. Think about it. People are craving valuable content, and they want it in a format that's easy to digest. Short, snappy videos that get to the point quickly are in high demand. Whether it's a tutorial, a product review, or a behind-the-scenes look at your business, video content can help you connect with your audience on a deeper level. That's where we come in with InVideo AI. Our platform makes it easy to create professional quality videos without the need for expensive equipment or a steep learning curve. With InVideo AI, you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing content, while we handle the technical details. We're not reinventing the wheel here. We're just making it sexier, faster, and way more engaging. Our tools are designed to help you streamline your video creation process, so you can produce more content in less time. And the best part? You don't need to be a video editing expert to use them. This strategy is all about leveraging what's already working and putting your own spin on it. Remember, execution is everything. It's not enough to have a great idea. You need to bring it to life in a way that captures your audience's attention and keeps them coming back for more. So, get out there and start creating. Your path to freedom starts with understanding the opportunity in front of you and taking action. The digital world is your oyster, and with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve incredible things. So let's dive in and make some magic happen. Alright, so you're ready to dive in and find some winning topics? Head over to YouTube, your new best friend, and start exploring popular niches. We're talking personal finance, health, tech, anything that gets people fired up. Look for videos with crazy high views and engagement. But here's the kicker. Focus on videos that were posted at least 6 months ago. Why? Because it shows staying power. Write down those golden titles and links. We're gonna need them later. Now that you've got your viral topics, it's time to put on your detective hat and head over to Google. We're going deep, people. Search for everything related to those topics. Trending stats, mind-blowing examples, practical solutions, you name it. This is where you add your own flavor and make your video stand out from the crowd. Remember, content is king, but context is God. The more value you provide, the more viewers you'll attract. Alright, let's talk tech. InVideo AI is your secret weapon in this game. It's like having a team of video editors at your fingertips, but without the hefty price tag. Sign up for an account, it's a no-brainer, and get ready to be amazed. They have these pre-designed templates that are pure magic. Just drag, drop, and boom. Your video starts taking shape. Choose visuals that pop, add text that grabs attention, and if you're feeling fancy, throw in a voiceover. Trust me, InVideo makes it so easy, even your grandma could do it. Here's the thing, anyone can copy and paste, but what separates the amateurs from the pros is personality. This is where you inject your own unique voice, your story, your perspective. Even a simple voiceover or commentary can make all the difference. People connect with people, not robots, so don't be afraid to let your freak flag fly. Share your insights, your experiences, your failures, your wins. Authenticity is magnetic, so be yourself and watch the magic happen. Okay, you've got your killer video. Now it's time to unleash it on the world. But before you hit that publish button, there's a lot more to consider if you want your video to reach its full potential. YouTube is a vast ocean of content. And to make sure your video doesn't get lost in the waves, you need to optimize it for YouTube SEO. This means making your video discoverable by the right audience and ensuring it ranks well in search results. But hold up, we gotta play smart here. It's not just about uploading and hoping for the best. You need a strategy. Think of it as a game where you need to understand the rules to win. And the rules here are dictated by YouTube's algorithm. YouTube SEO is key to getting your content seen by the right eyeballs. The algorithm takes into account various factors like keywords, engagement, and watch time. So, let's break it down step by step. First, craft a title that's so clickable, it hurts. Your title is the first thing viewers see and it needs to grab their attention immediately. Use power words and make it intriguing, but also make sure it's relevant to the content of your video. Use those high-ranking keywords you researched earlier, but don't be spammy. Nobody likes a keyword stuffer. Keywords help YouTube understand what your video is about, so place them naturally in your title, description, and tags. Write a description that's both informative and engaging, and don't forget to sprinkle in some relevant tags. Your description should provide a summary of your video, include your main keywords, and encourage viewers to watch and engage with your content. Think of it like this. You're giving YouTube a roadmap to your content, so make it easy for them to find you. The more information you provide, the better YouTube can categorize and recommend your video to the right audience. And remember, consistency is key. Regularly uploading quality content will help build your channel's authority and improve your SEO over time. So take the time to optimize each video and watch your channel grow. Alright, it's time to talk money, honey. Turning your passion into profit is not just a dream, it's a reality waiting to happen. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, the potential to monetize your efforts is immense. But how do you get started? Let's dive in. Once your video is live and racking up those views, it's time to monetize that bad boy. The first step is to understand your audience and what they value. Are they looking for entertainment, education, or inspiration? Knowing this will help you tailor your monetization strategy effectively. YouTube ads are a no-brainer, but don't stop there. Explore affiliate marketing, partner with brands, and even consider sponsored content. Each of these avenues offers unique opportunities to generate revenue. For instance, affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting products you love and trust. Partnering with brands can lead to lucrative sponsorship deals that not only pay well, but also enhance your credibility. Even promote your own products or services. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You have complete control over what you promote. This means you can stay true to your brand and your audience while still making money. Imagine creating a line of merchandise that your fans can't wait to get their hands on, or offering exclusive services that provide immense value. Once you've got this system down, you can rinse and repeat. Consistency is key. The more content you create, the more opportunities you have to monetize. But remember, quality over quantity. Each video should offer something valuable to your audience, whether it's a new insight, a helpful tip, or just a good laugh. Create more videos in the same niche, expand into new ones, and always be on the lookout for trending topics. Diversifying your content can attract a broader audience and open up new revenue streams. For example, if you start with tech reviews, you might branch out into tutorials, unboxings, or even industry news. Build a content empire that would make Bezos jealous. Remember, success leaves clues, so study the top creators in your niche. What are they doing right? How do they engage their audience? What monetization strategies are they using? Take notes and adapt their tactics to fit your style and audience. So pay attention to what works and double down on it. Use analytics tools to track your performance and identify what resonates most with your audience. This data is invaluable for refining your strategy and maximizing your revenue. The journey to monetizing and scaling up is ongoing, but with dedication and smart strategies, you can turn your passion into a thriving business. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to earning $1,150 a day using InVideo AI and a little creativity. It's time to take action and turn your passion into profit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your results in the comments.